Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, money just doesn't stay? You earn, you spend, and somehow you're back to zero. What if I told you attracting money isn't just about working harder, it's about thinking differently? Let's break down 6 simple mindset shifts that can actually change your financial life. 1. Visualize money and success. Your brain works on what you repeatedly imagine. If you constantly see yourself struggling, that's the direction you move in. Practical tip. Spend 2 minutes daily visualizing your ideal financial life, your income, lifestyle, freedom. Feel it as real. 2. Be grateful for what you have. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, and what you focus on grows. Practical tip. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, even small things like food, health, or opportunities. 3. Stop worrying about money. Constant stress about money blocks clear thinking and better decisions. Practical tip. Instead of worrying, ask, what is one action I can take today to improve my situation? Then act on it. 4. Remove jealous thoughts. Jealousy drains your energy and keeps you stuck comparing instead of growing. Practical tip. When you see someone successful, replace jealousy with this thought. If they can do it, so can I. 5. Learn from failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Practical tip. After every mistake, ask, what did this teach me? Write it down and improve your next step. 6. Build a strong network. Your environment shapes your future. The right people open doors you can't open alone. Practical tip. Start connecting with positive, growth-minded people, online or offline. Even one good connection can change your path. These 6 habits may look simple, but when practiced daily, they completely change how money flows into your life. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which habit you'll start today. See you in the next video.